Alright, this is the port side of my pump engine, that manifold. Yeah, so we're heading to a rebuild with this, but we got a little bit of work, you know, trying to get some of the season in before I do the rebuild. Pump engine's in rough shape. Got about 20,000 hours, which is good. It's been meticulously serviced, but things you can't control are just how bad the salt water and air destroys these things. 20,000 hours on a pleasure boat is something that's absolutely unheard of. I'm gonna wrap this cable up a little bit. You know, I'm not unhappy with the service life this engine's given. It's done very well. And I'm just asking it for a little more before we give it the brand new rebuild. It's a Deere 4039. So what was happening is, just trying to clean this up a little. This is the injection pump, positive lead. So while we were running the other day, engine would just shut off as if you turned it off with the key, okay? And absolutely dead battery. Battery had 2 volts after. So, you know, the previous owner and was kind of thinking that there's either a bad ground to some of these systems, which is very possible, just look at the condition. And they're not in this condition due to lack of maintenance. It's just time on salt water. That's the environment we're in. This is not a farm tractor. You know, this thing would look brand new in my opinion if it was in a tractor. So I'm cleaning up those connections, making sure I'm getting the full 12 volts up here. I am going to put new battery connections on, make sure the alternator's charging, and hopefully we get this boat back out working tomorrow, because it is not doing us any good sitting at the dock. Got another kid coming, and I want to be out here getting on the clams. So we're gonna put I'm gonna put new ends on this. That cable doesn't look great. I don't have this size with me today, but I can change this out if I need to. So let me get some of this going.